You are going to love the 2019 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few and is priced below $85,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, autonomous braking, stability control, voice-activated navigation system, compass, power brakes, clock, child safety locks, wireless charging station, overhead console. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.